I ended up getting 20 bags of paver sand from Home Depot. To make my base, I laid these 2x4s out as a guide for a level base. Put the sand down, started compacting it down, wet it down, compact it. Brought some bricks out. The pavers that I have a 6x9 inch and 6x6 inch pavers that were left over from the pool build. So this little area that we're building, it's roughly a 10 foot by 10 foot. As you can see, I'm laying these down, trying to get my pattern. It's a little difficult. I didn't really match what my pool was doing, but I started going after it, and as you can see right there at the edge, you got some long straight lines. So I kept coming back and pulling bricks out and redoing it a little bit, but all in all, it kind of turned out. Now you can see my helpers. A couple little helpers are my motivation, came out and started hanging out with me. I'm trying to make this patio as large as possible with the pavers that I do have. I only have a select few, and I'm trying to use them the most I can with the least amount of waste. As you can see here, we're trying to mock this up with the border that we have. Eventually I'm going to pull that 2x4 out. I put one more row of pavers down, remove the retaining wall bricks, set the border to finish out this barbecue pad. Well, the pad's complete. I used a masonry blade on my chop saw to cut all the edge pieces, pain in the butt as the fence lines weren't really squared. I brushed in some polymeric sand and tamped it into place, into the cracks, and wet it down with a garden hose, and it really sealed them up, made the bricks firm. As you can see right there and over here, I came up 4 bricks short, so I had to get some off-color bricks and put them into place. The bullnose around the front, the darker colors, they don't really have the edges on the pavers for the sand to settle into place, so hopefully it will work. Unlike my pool, as you'll see here in a minute, they use grout and mortar to set them into place. But all in all, I think it will work. It will serve its purpose. If you like this, please like, comment, share this video, subscribe if you can, help me out. I love doing this kind of stuff, and hopefully you learn something from this. So have a good day.